Hello everyone, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will learn how to add events in your WordPress website. If you already have a website or you wanna add events on your WordPress website, so this is complete tutorial. Don't miss any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started this video. So here we already have a WordPress. In the WordPress, we will make sure our permalinks are good to go. For that, we will go to settings section and click on permalinks. Make sure your permalink set to post name and click save changes. Okay, next step, you might have any type of theme you are using on your WordPress website, or you already have a pre-built website and you need to add events on your website. So let me show you the easy step. First of all, we will go to plugins. We will click here, add new plugin. Okay, in the plugin section we will search for Elementor. So make sure you already have Elementor, which is a free plugin. You don't need to pay for anything. Another plugin we are going to use that's also free. So using those plugins, we will get functionality to add events. Even you want to add events from Google, or you have already event link but you want to display event calendar on the page. So that's pretty easy. For all these options, you need only one plugin which is free. For that, we will search here in the plugins Elementor. When you search Elementor here, scroll down to this plugin, essential add-on for Elementor. We will install this plugin. Click install now. And we will activate our plugin right away. Okay, so we already activate our plugin. Next, you will see this new option in your WordPress dashboard left side, essential add-ons. Click on that. Okay, in this page, we have a notification to install checkout essential blocks. So we will go ahead and click install essential blocks. So this will give us essential blocks and we will activate those blocks. Okay, so here we will go to elements section. In the elements section, you will see the search by name and we will search here events. Okay, sorry for that. Or you can just enable or go to first enable all elements and go to extension tools. Yeah, here. Okay, let me go to next section. Okay, here search for event. When you search for event, you will see downside the pop-up option event calendar. You have to enable this first. After you enable this option, click save changes. Okay, the next step will be we need to add, let me show you first my website here, the home page, and we will add event section on the website. Right now we don't have any event page for that. So we will create separate page for events. I always recommend to create separate page for your different post types, or if you are going to add any block on the page, make sure you have a separate page for that. But if you want to add on the home page somewhere, if you already have landing page or website, you wanna display the event calendar on the home page, that's also possible. Okay, then we will go to pages section and click on add new page. Okay, we will name it events. Okay, then we will first publish our page. Okay, after you publish, click edit with Elementor. Okay, now we have this dashboard where we have a new page and we are going to add our event new block here. Okay, so for in the event section, scroll down and you will find the option essential add-ons, or you can search here in the search element event and you will find out event calendar. Just drag it here. Okay, so this is our event calendar. Now next step will be we will customize it how we want. We have option for event source. In the source section left side, you can choose Google, or you have option the events calendar. Okay, you can choose, or you can go with manual one. If you already have event link, you can go with manual source. If Google, then you have to go to Google Calendar and provide Google Calendar API key. How to get Google Calendar API key? Downside you will see get API key. Click on that and new pop-up will be open. So here we have a new page where we have all the information how to get API key for Google Calendar. Okay, then next we have calendar ID. You also can get click here, get calendar Google Calendar ID. Directly click here. If you already have experience about these things, just go ahead, provide API key and calendar ID, and you have an option to start date and date and maximum results. Then you have a calendar section. In the calendar section, you have a language, 24 time format, default view per month, weekly or day. You can show in the calendar. You have start date. You have a first day of week, Sunday. Okay, so you have a lot more options here. Okay, so first we go deeper into the options. First, let me display my title here for the event. Let me go ahead, click add element, and I will drag the headings section somewhere here. Okay, let me drag the heading here and let me go for it to make it align to the center. For that, I will go to style section. In the alignment, I will make it center. Okay, but I need to give little bit more space within the calendar and the header section. For that, I will again go to add element. I will scroll down. You will find our spacer. Just to drag spacer under the heading. How much space you want to give, you can adjust here. Okay, like that. Okay, let me change my title. Let me click on title, double click and click on content. Change my title, events. Now, okay, we have event section and let me publish it. Okay, now we will go to calendar section. I will right click, edit event calendar. In the source, as I already explained, you have an option to go manual, Google the event calendar. For the event calendar, you must have to activate the event calendar first. You can directly click here, the event calendar. Okay, if you go with manual, okay, so we select here manual. In the layout, we have a calendar or table. Okay, you can choose a table or calendar. You have a both option for that. Okay, In the table type, you can display the event title, description, and the date. Let me show you here. Click on downside event title. In the event title, just to change the title, digital marketing event or digital marketing, just only provide the title of your event and then provide the event link where people when they will click on the event, the people will visit that particular event link. Okay, then downside you have option redirect to event link. This pop-up will not appear and you will be redirected to the event link page instead if you enable this one. Okay, the next is whole day. If you want to enable for the whole day, you can enable it here. Okay, for example 21 September to 22 the event will go whole day. You can set here start date. Let me start date from 19 September to 21. Yeah, okay, and then sorry for that, let me go ahead to choose another future date. Make sure you set future date, upcoming dates. Okay, and then you have an event background color. The event background color here is purple. Let me go ahead to go with red one. Okay, looks good. Then and later on we will also change color for the event section. Okay, then in the event text color we will keep it white, so it will be visible with the background. Because our background is red, then we have to go with white color for the text color. Okay, then you will see option upper side in the general nearby the general content. In the content, provide detail about this particular event. In digital marketing, just to type anything. I'm giving you just example here. Okay, so here is a title, description, and the date. Okay, if you want to enable the layout to calendar, this particular event will also show there here downside with same title, same color, red one, so people will able to see it where it is 26 to 29. Okay, you can go with any option. Okay, once you already done first event, then you can click here add item and it will be your second event. Each event you can choose different colors. Okay, that's okay with that. Let me go with next title, SEO event, like that. So you have to choose the date for the event, same, and downside you have an option for the calendar. Let me open calendar style. So because some people they want to go with calendar, so I think this is a good idea. So I have to teach both style, how you can go with a table or calendar one. I have to teach both ways, and that will be easier for you. But if you still have any question, you can leave comments. I will definitely reply there. Okay, then now this is our event calendar. Now let me click on a calendar section, because we choose event calendar, not a table. Okay, in the event calendar you can choose language. You can go with the different language. You have a multiple language choices here, like that. Okay, that will display in that particular language. And then you have to choose here for the time format 24 hours if you want to enable 24 hours. Default view is month. You can set to weeks, like that. You can set even for the day. Okay, or you can select a list, like that. Okay, if you want to select list, you can go with list. Let me go with month, and then you have a start date when it going to start. Okay, first day of week, Sunday. Hide event detail link. You can hide the detail link. Okay, in the event pop-up, if they will click here, there will be a pop-up like that. If someone want to book the event, definitely they will scroll on the calendar and they will click somewhere where they see already events available, right? Some example here, digital marketing, they will click here and they will see the title, description, the date. That's why if you want to hide event detail link, here it is, detail link, event detail, you can hide this one. I know you enjoying my video. Please subscribe, like and share my videos so I bring more nice tutorials for you. I really appreciate that. And then we have event limit. You can set event limit. Pop-up date format. Okay, like you want to set like Sep 21, September, like that formats. Okay, then you have a calendar table heading date format. You can select that one. Okay, in the event section, let's go back to event section. For example, in the digital marketing, the event link is different. You have to provide event link in the event link option. Okay, in SEO event, you have also the same setting. You can add as many as you want here. Okay, if you choose Google, let me go with Google also. So I explore everything here. So that's why people enjoy my video, because I always try my best to explore everything within a time. Okay, we have here in the calendar week, they can select week, day. They have an option to choose. Even they can go with the list. Okay, the beautiful event calendar this is, and fully control they have. They can choose filter. Okay, then we have to go to Google Calendar. As I explained earlier, for API key calendar ID, then you can choose start date, end date, and then next go to calendar. You can same setting for the calendar. For the formats, data cache setting, you can set a data cache if someone going to select the event and they have a cache time up to 60 minutes. Okay, after that, this the duration or the season will expire. Okay, you can set a time, because sometime they might take a little bit more time, 1 minute, 2 minutes. You can extend this time. Okay, so before they join the event. Okay, for the event whole calendar, we need to, if you want to change any color for that, then you have to go to style section. In the style section, if you want to go with the dark background for that, okay, you have to select background, and you can choose even dark color for your calendar. Okay, you can go with red one, or I will recommend gray or black if you want to go with black, if you like dark one. Okay, then you have a border color. You can choose your border color, blue, like red, something like that. Okay, looks good, but make sure for the color, like date colors, you have to choose white one. Okay, the title color, and yes, here it is, typography in the color, choose white color, background white color. Yeah, this is for the filters, upper side. You can design it as how you want. Okay, looks nice. But if you want to go with the default one, go back to the background section and click this clear button. Everything will be clear to default. Okay, in the red, you can click clear. Okay, then If you scroll down, you have an option for if you wanna give some shadow to make it beautiful. Let me show you the option for the shadow. Here it is, box shadow option. Click on that and you will find one little shadow here like that, which looks beautiful. Okay, because nowadays more people, they want something animated and something with some shadow. Things look more realistic, right? So you can choose as you want. In the shadow option, you have a more option like vertical, blur. If you want to go with more blur like that, it will little bit more blur in the corners. If you want to clear, again go to the back to default, little refresh button. Okay, scroll down, you have a more option like date, time, date, just for the color or style. For the fonts, you wanna change font, go to calendar section and scroll down to the typography option where you can change the font of your calendar. Okay, even you can increase the size like that. Font size, I must have to go with dark one. Yeah, here it is. The font for this like September, October. Okay, for the table, let me show you. In the table, we will go here, list view. Let's check list view. In the list view, let's try to make some changes in the background color. Okay, if I click here, let me choose here first manual, so I will see the changes right away. So I will able to click here all these things, right? Okay, let me click pop-up. You can even change color for the pop-up. For that, I have to go to style and look for pop-up, event pop-up. Yeah, event pop-up. You can change background color, content color, okay, everything. More event. Okay, this way you can create calendar, and if you want to make it little bit more catchy, you can select background of your this main title. For that, I have to go to right click, edit heading. In the edit heading section, I will go to style. Okay, and then I have text color option. But for the background, I have to click here, little edit container, gray button. And in the style, you will see background type. Click on classic and you can change the background color, whole background color like that. Okay, if you want to make the only background color in the heading section, so I have to make it, I have to delete first this. Okay, then I have to scroll down to the add container box. Here I have to go with add element. I have to drag again heading here in the box, and then I will select here. Let me drag it, just bring it to upper here. Yeah, okay, double click on there or right click, edit heading. Now click style to align it again to center, align center here. Now change the color of the text, downside text color. Now we will change background of this, only this area. So for that, I will now go to again edit container. I will visit here and style. In the style, click on background type. Now you will able to change the background color for that particular section like that. Okay, even you have an option for gradient like that. as you want. Okay, and then change the text. Double click on the text and click on content and change events. Looks beautiful. Okay, let me check. Yes, and now we will click publish. Okay, now we want to check if everything is good. I will click on review changes, and you can see we have everything looks perfect. And if I click anywhere, pop-up is there, and then they have to click event detail to visit more detail for the but if you already have a Google setup, and it will give you all the following option to register event for particular date. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in comments if you want me to create a video on another similar titles. I really appreciate for your time. Thank you so much.